I'm not.
Ma'am, stand up on your two feet.
I am not.
Come on, honey.
No, don't,
Come on,
do
honey.
not touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Do not touch. Don't touch.
On July 13th, 2023 at 11:17 p.m., Fort Myers police responded to a crash where a driver slammed into a car sitting at a red light, only for officers to discover that neither driver possessed a valid license.
Hello, ma'am. You okay?
No, I'm not. I cannot make it work.
Yeah, I don't think your car is gonna work.
My brother was driving and that was in red and she was coming.
Are you okay though? Do you have any injuries? Is anything hurt?
I don't know.
You don't know? Hello.
And the car was here and she pushed us.
All right, so you guys were parked here. The light was red.
Yeah, the light was red.
Ma'am.
She was drinking.
Ma'am, you have your driver's license, registration, insurance, all that. I'm gonna need it. You guys are okay though? All right. I need your driver's license, your registration, your insurance. You got
My driver license.
Okay, these guys are gonna check you out. Talk to them. They're right behind you.
So what else?
You guys have your driver's license and all that information? Neither of you have a driver's license?
No.
Yeah, ma'am, right behind you. I'll get everything else. Just talk to them behind you. You've never been given a license.
Never.
So you're driving with no driver's license.
Yeah.
It was just the two of you in the car, or were all three of you? Who was driving? You were...
I'm dealing with bullshit in my life, domestic abuse, child alienation. I don't need to deal with somebody like you.
You were driving? You have a driver's license.
So you don't want EMS to check on you and make sure
No,
you're okay?
I don't.
So you're
I really don't.
okay.
It's not on you, but you have one.
No.
Never had a driver's license. Okay.
Whatever happened tonight, I just want somebody to get me home.
Okay,
And
so
that's,
you're refusing medical assistance.
Yeah.
What is that?
what?
What's in your hand, honey? Are those pills or something like that? Prescribed pills?
Probably.
Can I? So what's your name, ma'am?
I don't know.
Can I see them, please?
No.
They have your name on it, no? Ma'am, you have to give me your name.
I
This is
don't.
a traffic
I
crash,
sure
honey.
don't.
I'm not understanding why you won't give us your name.
Because you guys are going to fuck me up.
That's going to be a problem if you don't give us your name, okay? How are we going to F you up?
I don't know. I know you guys are going to fuck me up, and that's.
How are we going to do that? We're here for a
Because-
traffic crash.
no,
ma'am,
you're not.
Okay? Well, just because
And
you don't
you're
like the
not-
police doesn't mean...
That's fine.
Okay,
and
well-
I'm not well. You're not.
So why am I here?
Because your job is fucked.
Okay, well just...
And I would like to get home and just relax. Can I get home, please?
No, ma'am. We still need to do a traffic crash report.
Can
So
I-
we need to identify you.
I'm not identifying myself as anything.
Ma'am, you cannot get home yet, okay?
Exactly. So I'm not saying anything.
So, ma'am, if you don't identify yourself, we're gonna have to take you to the jail to identify
But you don't. You don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you
ma'am.
don't. You don't take Mexicans into the jail.
I mean,
And
I've taken a Hispanic into a jail before.
No, you didn't. And you
Okay,
don't.
ma'am. So I'm not gonna play that game with you. Okay? Just stay with her. Make sure she's alright. Is this your vehicle, ma'am?
I think so.
I'll just do it now.
My phone is not working. I cannot connect to anybody.
Okay. I'm just gonna shine this in your face just to make sure you're okay. Okay, honey?
Yeah, but
Okay, I just
the-
have a couple questions for you, honey.
Okay.
I just want to make sure you don't have any injuries.
I don't think I
Okay,
am.
let me. You want to get out of the car, honey? Okay, let me see your head because they said you had a mark on your head, honey. I'm sorry.
I want to try to connect to the people,
What people, honey?
my friends.
Okay. I just have a couple questions for you, okay? I need to know how the crash happened.
I don't know.
Fortunately, your phone's not working right now,
I
no?
know that's the problem.
I still need you to at least stand up for me so I can talk to you.
I'm not going to.
I know, but I want to ask you, another couple
I
questions.
have no idea, but you guys reeling me into the bullshit.
I don't think I'm wheeling you into
Yeah,
the
you
bullshit.
are.
Well, your phone is not working, okay?
But
It's not
so
being charged
you're not
either, okay?
pulling me into your.
I think I'm just trying to do my job.
Stop flashing that shit into my face.
I don't understand what you mean.
Whatever,
I don't understand what
please
that means.
Whatever you do, turn off the f***ing flashlight.
No, I'm not gonna do
Yes,
that.
you are hindering your own investigation by doing this shit.
Ma'am.
Yes, you are.
No, ma'am.
You are aggravating.
No, ma'am.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
The scene descended into chaos as the suspect cited a language barrier, refused Google Translate communications, and allegedly kicked a nurse after being forcibly arrested for DUI.
Hello,
I
ma'am.
cannot start my phone.
I know, that's because it's dead.
Can you help me start my phone?
Well, your car is not working either. So I just need to do my job here, ma'am, okay? So you're being a little mean to me, so I don't know if
I'm
I
sorry.
should.
You are being mean to me.
So here's the deal, ma'am. We did the traffic crash investigation, okay? That was my partner owner's job. So now I'm going to transfer into a criminal investigation. So I'm no longer worried about the traffic crash portion. Okay?
No, there's no criminal investigation. I cannot start my phone.
I think you're too intoxicated or impaired beyond your ability to drive a motor vehicle. I'm going to ask you to do field sobriety exercises. Do you know what that means?
No.
So because I believe and you're giving off cues to me that you're impaired beyond your ability to drive a motor vehicle.
I'm not going to do it.
If you're refusing to do field sobriety exercises, I'm going to have enough probable cause to put handcuffs on you and bring you to jail.
Cannot do that.
And I'm giving you the opportunity to do field sobriety exercises.
There's no way you can do it.
There is, okay? So that's just what's going to happen. To basically prove to me that you're capable of driving.
I need to get hold of somebody.
I'm gonna help you if you help me, okay? So if you're willing to work with me, I'm willing to work with you.
Okay, so you cannot get hold of anybody.
I have a working phone.
Okay, so you have a working phone. Let's call a few of my friends. Whatever is happening behind.
What?
I don't know.
The
Like,
police lights?
Yeah.
Listen, I'm not going to call anybody if you're going to be rude, okay?
I need to call. Can we call?
No, we have to do field sobriety exercises
We don't.
first. So the police lights have to stay on for our safety, okay? Because
I don't speak English.
I understand that, ma'am.
My language is not my it's my first English.
Okay. Are you telling me that you
I
don't
need
want
to call
do
somebody.
So what I'm asking you is to do field sobriety exercises.
I don't know what that means.
Field sobriety exercises is where we do a couple exercises to see if you are impaired.
So you need to start.
So that means if you're under the influence
It
of
means
drugs or
nothing.
alcohol.
I speak no English. I don't understand what you're saying to me.
Okay, well, you're speaking English to me right now.
I am,
Okay, what
but-
language do you speak, ma'am?
Polish. I need somebody that literally speaks Polish.
Okay, then I will translate with my phone, okay?
It's not proper.
That's okay,
So,
we'll try.
fine. Your phone does not speak Polish. I don't see very well. What does
Well,
that
you have
mean?
glasses, ma'am.
I do, but you freaking your phone in my face means
Do you understand the bottom line? I'm
Okay.
going to use Google Translate for you. So
that
you
means
can understand
freaking nothing.
Polish.
Okay, you're going to flip a screen in my face and say
Ma'am, there's
I can
Polish on the
read
screen,
it?
ma'am.
No, I cannot read it.
Okay,
I'm
you can't
sorry.
read it? Okay, do you understand that, ma'am?
Rozumiesz to?
No,
Ma'am,
I
there's
know I
Polish on
don't.
the screen.
I don't.
So you do not understand that?
No.
Rozumiesz to?
It says, do you understand this? But whatever he says, no,
So,
I
ma'am,
don't.
I'm going to give you one more opportunity, okay?
Police authority in this country is messed up.
Okay.
Big time.
I'm explaining-
No,
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
no, 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 no.
Ma'am, you're going to have to stand up for me.
I'm sorry, but I don't.
That's okay,
I don't
okay.
believe you guys.
And I
Big
respect.
time.
Well, I understand.
I
where
don't
you're coming
believe you
from,
guys.
ma'am.
No,
That's okay,
so-
ma'am. Everybody has their own opinions, and
I
I
don't-
respect everybody's opinions.
I do
but-
too.
So,
That's
ma'am,
the
you're going to
bottom
have to
line.
stand up for me, okay?
I'm not standing up to anything.
Ma'am,
You're
you're
going to
gonna-
beat me up?
I am not, ma'am.
But what are you going to do? I'm going to stand up. What are
Okay,
you
come
going
on,
to
let's
beat me
stand
up?
up. Stand up.
And I'm going to record.
Okay, that's
Because
fine.
I don't trust you guys.
That's fine, ma'am. Ma'am, go ahead and stand on your 2
I'm
feet,
not.
please.
I'm not.
Ma'am,
My phone
ma'am.
is not working. So
Ma'am, stand up on your 2 feet.
I am
We have
not.
cameras on us.
I don't give a fuck.
Ma'am, on, honey.
No, don't,
Come on,
do
honey.
not touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch. Do not touch. I won't hurt you. You are hurting me right now. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't. Okay, let it go. Let it go.
Watch your head, honey.
I'm not black. Do not touch me. Let it go. Let it go.
Come on, honey.
Okay.
Watch your head, honey.
I'm not black. I am white. You let it go. Let it go. You guys are going to get fucked.
Okay, honey.
Don't touch me. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. You're going to be fucked. I will shoot the fuck out of you. Come on. Let it go.
Hey.
You let it go. My glasses.
Hey, stop.
Let it go.
Hey, can you hold her real quick?
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, well,
And you are hurting
we're
me.
not hurting you.
Yeah, you are.
Okay, well, then
My,
you need to put your hands behind your back, man.
I understand.
Right now, your feet
It
is
hurts.
in, okay?
My phone is not working.
That's fine.
I don't know why you're arresting me. Let it go.
Ma'am? Okay, that'll all be explained to you in a second. Ma'am?
You assholes.
Ma'am?
Okay, that's fine.
You are arresting me based on nothing.
You can bring her to my car. Oh, my car's over here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my car's over here.
I'll kill you. What the f are you doing? Why are you arresting me?
Is that a threat?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Has it not been explained to you yet?
No, they didn't.
You're going to do an investigation for DUI. Okay.
There's no DUI. You let me go. Let me go.
Ma'am?
You are let me go. You guys are molesting me.
No, we're not.
Yeah, you are. Let me go.
You just search her.
Let me go. You don't f***ing touch me.
Hey! Okay.
I don't want her to touch me. You're a f***ing lesbian. Don't f***ing touch me.
He's not going to touch you.
You're f***ing asshole.
That's good enough.
You're a f***ing lesbian. You cannot f***ing touch me. I can't get in the car.
to put in the car.
You?
Come on now, get in the car.
So you're gonna have a court date, okay? For driving without a license. It's a criminal citation, so you're gonna have to appear to court, okay? Here's.
I can't breathe. Hello?
You good to go now?
Yeah, you guys are good.
I can't breathe.
You guys drive safe and have a better night, alright?
I'm dying. I cannot breathe. I can't breathe. Help.
I got the windows open for you, ma'am.
I can't breathe. I'm dying. Hello. Help me. Dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. Hello. 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 They're killing me. They're killing me. I cannot. They're killing me. They're killing me. They're killing me. They're killing me.
What up? She should be okay now, yeah.
Don't touch. You do not touch. Don't touch me.
We're gonna have to.
Do not touch me. You, no, touch me.
We're gonna have
Don't
to.
touch me. Don't touch fucking me. You are.
In this hospital, ma'am. We're here to help you. But we
You're
help
hurting me. You're hurting me.
We're gonna get you some help.
Help. You're hurting me. You
Following the arrest on July 13, 2023, the suspect was transported to a local hospital under law enforcement custody for medical evaluation. What began as a late-night traffic accident in Fort Myers, Florida, after she rear-ended a vehicle stopped at a red light, rapidly spiraled into a multi-felony case due to her persistent non-compliance and aggressive behavior. In court, the body camera footage proved central to establishing the state's case. The video clearly documented the suspect's initial refusal to identify herself, her attempts to use a language barrier to evade instructions, and her refusal to participate in field sobriety exercises, despite officers using Google Translate to communicate in Polish. The prosecutor highlighted her escalation from verbal threats to physical violence during her extraction from the vehicle, as well as her subsequent assault on medical staff at the hospital where she kicked a nurse. Ultimately, the suspect was formally prosecuted and convicted of DUI, property damage, battery on a registered nurse, and resisting arrest with violence. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.